Welcome to our collection of clever workshop solutions that will make your projects easier. From precision drilling techniques to innovative wire handling methods, these practical tips will help you work smarter, not harder. Let's dive into these handy solutions that use simple items you probably already have at home. When drilling holes of the same depth, make a mark on the drill bit. Use a pop rivet as a depth stop. Place it on the drill bit and secure it at the desired distance from the tip. Now it will let you drill deeper. This is a simple and reliable way to achieve the same depth for all holes. Cut off the top part of a plastic bottle, then cut along the marked line. Melt the edges of the workpiece using an iron. Make a round hole for the drill bit. Now place the resulting funnel at the drilling spot. It will collect all dust and shavings, keeping the area clean. To make identical holes in two pieces of timber, apply masking tape to the first piece and drill in the desired spots. Then transfer the same tape with holes to the second piece and drill following the ready-made marks. Perfect joint alignment is guaranteed. Have you noticed this hole in the metal end of the measuring tape? Attach a pencil using hot glue. Screw in a self-tapping screw or nail. Using the hole at the end of the tape measure as a pivot point, you can easily draw a perfect circle or semicircle of the desired radius. Also, you can easily draw straight lines at the desired distance from the edge or make some marks. Keep your old nail clippers, they'll come in handy for working with wires. Place the wire between the blades, apply slight pressure and rotate around its axis. The insulation will be removed quickly and neatly. Take a metal tube that fits the size of your electric screwdriver chuck. Make a longitudinal cut with an angle grinder. Insert a tube of glue or silicone into the cut and rotate. When rotating, the contents will be squeezed out to the last drop. Economical and practical. Regular office clips can become excellent holders in your workshop for soldering irons, glue guns, and more. Use a simple trick for secure screw holding. Cut a small piece of masking tape, thread the screw through the tape and stick it to the drill bit. Now the screw will stay in place, making work much more convenient. Now I'll show you a simple way to securely connect cable wires. Next, you'll learn how to quickly put a ferrule on a stranded wire. First, gather all the wires together and tighten them with a zip tie. Now carefully thread the bundle of wires through the ferrule. Deal with a tight nut easily. Use a second wrench as shown in the video. After the nut moves, continue working with one wrench. Removing a stubborn screw from drywall is simple. Place a metal ruler under the screw head. If you don't have a special tool for cutting baseboards or crown molding at 45 and 90 degrees, this method will come in handy. Keep your paint tray clean by lining it with food wrap or a regular bag. After work, simply throw away the film with paint residue. For convenient and precise joining of wooden parts, use zip ties as shown in the video. Take 2 empty paint buckets and attach old rubber slippers to their bottoms. Put your feet in the slippers and you can easily move around the room at a comfortable height without a stepladder. Attach small magnets to the metal end of the measuring tape to speed up and ease the measurement process. Clamp a regular bit in a vise with the tip down. Heat it with a heat gun. Insert the heated bit into a hot glue stick. Wait for the glue to fully set. Insert the resulting extension into an electric screwdriver. Now you can easily reach the most awkward places when driving screws. Twisting stranded wire with solid wire is always tricky, but we have a method for you. If you want to maintain the appearance of the tool for as long as possible, make a DIY cover for it from a plastic bottle. Connect 2 cable holders together for greater capacity. Secure the structure to the surface. Place several wires inside. Now they are securely fixed and neatly arranged.